AI is everywhere. Chatbots, self-driving cars, smart assistants. But not all AI is the same. There's a big difference between regular AI models like ChatGPT and AI agents. And trust me, this difference will blow your mind. In this video, we're breaking it all down. What AI agents actually are, how they're different from ChatGPT, real-world examples you won't believe. So what exactly is an AI agent? An AI agent is an intelligent system that can perceive and understand its surroundings, make decisions based on given goals, take actions to achieve those goals, learn and improve over time through experience. Example, a self-driving car. Here's how it works. Perceives the road using cameras and sensors. Decides when to stop, turn, or speed up. Acts by steering, braking, or accelerating. Learns and adapts to new road conditions and traffic patterns over time. Unlike traditional AI, which just provides answers, AI agents interact with their environment, make real-time decisions, and take action. AI agents versus regular AI. Now, how do AI agents compare to traditional AI like ChatGPT? Let's break it down. AI agents are fully autonomous. They can analyze situations, make decisions, and take actions without needing constant human input. On the other hand, ChatGPT depends on user input and only responds when prompted, without taking independent action. Goal-oriented behavior. AI agents are goal-driven. They continuously work toward achieving a specific objective by making smart decisions along the way. ChatGPT, however, is reactionary. It only provides answers to questions and doesn't actively pursue any goal. Memory and adaptation. AI agents can learn from past experiences and adapt to new situations, improving their decision-making over time. ChatGPT has limited memory. It doesn't remember previous conversations or adapt based on past interactions. Action execution. AI agents perform real-world tasks, whether it's booking a flight, managing tasks, or automating workflows. ChatGPT can only provide information. It can suggest solutions, but it won't take action on its own. Example, AI travel assistant versus ChatGPT. Let's say you need to book a flight. AI travel agent finds the best flights for you, books the ticket automatically, adjusts if there's a delay. ChatGPT suggests flights, but you have to book them. Can't handle unexpected changes. See the difference? AI agents don't just talk. They get things done. Real-world applications of AI agents. Here are some game-changing examples. Smart virtual assistants. Google Assistant, Siri, and Alexa automate tasks like scheduling and smart home control. Self-driving cars. AI-powered vehicles like Tesla and Waymo make real-time decisions on the road. AI customer support. Automated agents handle customer queries without human help. How to build your own AI agent, Python tutorial coming soon. In my next video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create your very own AI agent using Python. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Conclusion: the future of AI agents. AI agents are the next big thing in tech. They don't just reply, they think, act, and adapt. And soon, they'll be handling tasks we never imagined. If you found this video valuable, hit like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI insights. See you in the next video.